Hey everybody, welcome to ebooktemplates101.com, and this is the home of our Kindle template that makes it easy, and it's the best way to create Kindle ebooks with perfect formatting that are just as good or better than the New York Times bestsellers on the Kindle. So I'm going to show you a little bit about our template and take you on a quick tour of the members area. And once you order the template, you will have access to the members area, and here is the download where you download the actual template. But in addition to the template, you actually get over an hour of video tutorials. We actually have 10 different videos that I've done, and I described the entire process step by step and literally covered everything you would need to know about how to make amazing looking Kindle ebooks. And it goes straight from Microsoft Word directly to Amazon. It couldn't be more simple. So that's the members area. Now let me show you something. Here is a Kindle book that I downloaded a couple days ago. I haven't read the book. All I did was I looked on the top sellers list, and this was that day rated #1 as a top seller, the #1 seller that day. So the great news is my template is very similar to this style. So we have a nice cover image here, and then a title page. They have a copyright page, which is a couple pages long, and then a table of contents. This is where a lot of people get messed up, especially if they try and get their Kindle books converted somewhere else. Either the formatting looks weird or the table of contents don't work, but this is exactly how it should be. If you click on a chapter number, it takes you directly to that chapter. And so it's got all the chapters, and then an about the author and back cover. So let me show you on the Kindle. This is the Kindle publishing website. And I just uploaded a little sample test chapter that I was working on for some of the tutorials. So we can look at that right now in the emulator. I'm just going to click on Preview Book. And now this isn't like the other book I just showed you in terms of how it looks, because I showed you a book that's already on the Kindle. This is the Amazon preview, just to give you an idea of how it will look in the formatting. So in looking at the book that I'm working on, it's got a nice front cover image here on the first page, and if we click that next button, we have a title page. And at the end of the title there, we have copyright. And then we have our table of contents, just like the best-selling Kindle book. And all these links work. They go directly to those pages in the book. We have a thank you or dedication page. And then it starts my chapter. In this particular example, I was doing a recipe book, for example. So I have a chapter on soups, and the formatting is perfect. The space in between each recipe is exactly the same, and it all looks exactly as it should. Next, here's a sample chapter where we have the chapter heading here. We have some text. We have bullets and numbers. Everything you need to make a great looking Kindle book. And again, a new chapter where everything's formatted perfectly. So using my Kindle template, all you need is Microsoft Word, and you can either type your text in or copy and paste it in from another document or another software program. And going through the videos and step-by-step instructions using my template, in no time you'll be able to quickly and easily create your own Kindle book that's formatted perfectly, and it'll look just as good or even better than the New York Times bestsellers on the Kindle.